the only one.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. For those of you who don't know, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And today I am back on my creative makeup stuff. So this look was inspired by Blusher Glam on IG. That's her name. I'll put her information down below. She did like this bumblebee kind of thing like this, and then I was like, I'm gonna do a ladybug thing kind of like this. So this is what I did. I'm gonna jump straight into the tutorial so you guys can see how I did it. So first I put foundation on the bottom half of my face, and I was just setting it with some setting powder. I'm taking the NYX SFX body paint. I think that's what it's called. I'm sorry guys, I don't have it on hand. But I'm just outlining where I want my designs and everything to be. And then I'm going to take their white paint and I'm just going to fill in certain areas that I want to be covered up. So now I'm just filling in the areas I want black with the black paint. It's kind of self-explanatory when you see it. You can kind of just make out what I'm doing, so I don't think it's kind of necessary for me to explain everything. Now, I just want to mention, this is gold, not yellow. It looks a little yellow on camera. Now I'm using NYX's body glitter. I'm not sure what the name of the color is. It's all packed up right now, but I'll put it in the description box. And I'm using Ruby Kiss's white liquid liner to create my little white detail. So for this part, I am literally just blending out the black paint that's already there. It's no added shadow or anything like that. It's just the paint. I'm trying to get it nice and blended out so we can have the shadow effect. And then I went in and cleaned the line up to make it pop more. I'm using the Dope Queens Cosmetics Cheeky Booty Shorts liquid lipstick. And originally I had put gold on it, but I didn't like it, so I just put this lipstick on and blended the black paint into the outer ridges of it to get the look that you see here. After this part, I did create some leaves down there as well, like I did on my face. And then I added black paint to the entire perimeter of my forehead just to give it more of a put together look, so it doesn't look like everything is just stopping, if you know what I'm saying. I put some white eyeliner, well actually white paint on my lower lash line. And then for my lashes, I pre-painted it green and white, and this is how the look came out. I hope you guys like it. So that is it, y'all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy to follow through with. I'm gonna keep posting more creative makeup for you guys. Of course, this is my stuff. I'm back and I got my juice back, so yeah. Bye, y'all.